Hey, what up, everyone? How you doing? Happy weekend. I'm about to crash right now, but I had some ideas in my head about what's gonna happen next week. There's a lot of movement gonna happen, either to the plus or the minus. But this is the earnings report that I got off of the internet for next week, because I knew there was some big ones, but I didn't know what ones they were. So some of these ones you'll have heard of, some of these you won't have heard of. And if you're new to this, earnings reports are either released before the stock market opens or right after it closes. And that's when you find out if the stock goes up or it goes down, or very rarely does it do nothing. But anyways, so I'm going to tell you this now before I jump into this. If it's a stock that you want and you're thinking of like the earnings report, say it just for example, Taco Bell's earnings reports are on Tuesday pre-market. If you wanted to, and you heard it was going to be a good buy and you could make some money off of it, if you wanted to get in on that, you'd have to buy it before 1 p.m. on Monday to be able to be eligible for the earnings report on Tuesday morning. That's something you got to check out. Earnings reports are always either in the morning or in the afternoon, and they vary company to company. So on Monday, these are okay, let's just go like this. Tuesday's earnings reports, okay? And that'll kind of include Monday. Tuesday, Microsoft in the after hours, Johnson & Johnson pre-market, NVS, Novartis. I think that's going to do really well, maybe. That's just a thought. Pre-market, AMD, after hours, RTX, pre-market, MMM or 3M is pre-market, and LMT, Lockheed, which I think will do well, is pre-market. And on Tuesday, there's ticker symbol PACR, PACR, that's pre-market. So I basically listed all the stocks you got to get on Monday for Tuesday and the ones that are going to happen on Tuesday. Now I'm going to tell you the stock you need for Wednesday morning. Boeing's going to have their quarterly report. I don't know if that's going to be good or bad based on vaccinations and on the increase of coronavirus cases and strains all over the world. I don't know. But if it goes low and it has a bad quarterly report, that would be a good buying opportunity. That's a good one. So there's a plus out of that. But Tesla, after hours, Apple, after hours, Facebook, after hours, and then Boeing, pre-hours, Abbott Pharmaceuticals, pre-hours, and then for the following next day, we have Comcast, CMCASA, pre-market, so you got to get that on the day of Wednesday. And then we have ticker symbol TEAM, Eliason, that's after hours. And then we have another one called XEL, and that's an energy company. And I'm sure that's going to do well because it has to do with what type of energy did they want to specialize in. I forgot type of energy. But solar energy. And then on Friday, we have pharmaceutical company Eli Lilly, ticker symbol LLY. And I didn't look up if that's after hours or not. I forgot. I'm sorry, guys. And then we have ticker symbol CAT, Caterpillar. That's a big rocking stock. That might do well. And last, that did well, that I didn't even think on the last quarterly report, was Colgate, your toothpaste. I swear to God, I'm not kidding. It's like the chewy thing. It's unbelievable. But that could be a factor. Seeing how Netflix, went up, and that was about the time when people were really, staying at home, how they should be still now. But that's your earnings report. That's not all of it, but that's part of it. I hope this helps. If you like it, push the like button. If you don't. You can follow me on YouTube. You can follow me on YouTube at Tuck Notes, or on Instagram at TuckerMLO. And you can check out my blog site at #TuxBlog. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. If I think of anything that's important that's going to happen next week, here, check this. This is a tactic. With these earnings reports, if it's going to be a good one, you'll start seeing people buying like today for next week, or the beginning of this next week for stocks that are at the end of the week, or just buying stocks for these stocks on Monday for everything I listed. And then you sell it right before before the market closes. And that's a tactic where it's kind of a safe risk reward, because you don't get out, but you get a little bit of the gain. Like Appl went up like $6 today or something. So, and we're not until Wednesday next week. So, all right, guys, have a great night. Love you. Talk to you later. Bye.